I'm just going to go through some income streams in this video that you can earn as a YouTuber. Some of these you may already be familiar with, and some of them you may not. Okay, so let me just quickly go through these, and then some of these I'll talk more about in the following videos. Now, the most well-known income stream amongst YouTubers is AdSense, Google AdSense. And basically, when you're watching a YouTube video and you see an ad, and if you click on that ad, the YouTuber who posted that YouTube video will get paid by Google. Now, other ways you can make money are through the sales from your own products, through crowdfunding, brand deals, and affiliate income. And these income streams that I just mentioned, I'll cover more in the following videos. Other ways to earn money are through consulting, speaking opportunities. You can also license some of your video content to brands that want to take your content and make it a part of their commercials. You can set up a paid membership site in which you can provide more training and other perks. And you can do super chats, and this is where you can get paid through your live streams. You could also do freelance services. And lastly, my favorite income stream is to build an email list that you can continually market products and or services to. And I will also be talking about this in another video in this series. I'll also be talking about the super chat in another video in this series. Okay, so with that said, I will see you in the following video.